Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your offer code on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use your offer code. Maybe you have a discount, maybe you have a promo code. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, after you add an item to your cart, click on your cart on the top right hand corner. Then click on checkout. Then afterwards, we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down and you're going to see the tab that says add offer code. Click on that. So once you click on that, this is where you can enter your offer code and then click on apply. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your offer code on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.